Today we will discuss exercise 4.3. We are discussing second year mathematics. So the first question of 4.3 is find the critical values of the given functions in the following problems and show where the function is increasing and where it is decreasing. So first question, we have f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 1. For critical points, we have to find f prime of x. For critical point, f prime of x is equal to 0. So we have to find f prime of x. F prime of x is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 0. So this will become 3x square plus 6x. So we take the derivative of the f of x. For critical points, put f prime of x is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 3x square plus 6x. So this will become 3x x plus 2. 3x is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. So at x is equal to minus 2 and at x is equal to 0, these are the critical points. If you want to find the y coordinates of the critical point, put x is equal to 0 in this function and put x is equal to minus 2 in f of x. You will find the y coordinates of the critical point. Now the second part of the question is and show where the function is increasing and where it is decreasing. Now we have to show where the function is increasing and where the function is decreasing. So here we have the line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, and this is minus 3. We will put the values at the right and the left hand side of the critical values and check whether the function is increasing and whether the function is decreasing. When f prime of x is greater than 0, the function is increasing, and when f prime of x is less than 0, the function is decreasing. Now first we take the point x is equal to 0, and we will see that at the left hand side of 0 there is minus 1 and at the right hand side of the 0 there is 1. We put these values in f prime of x and check whether the function is increasing or whether it is decreasing. So first of all we put f prime of minus 1 is equal to in this equation f prime of x. So f prime of minus 1, 3 into minus 1 square plus 6 into minus 1. So this will become 3 into 1 minus 6. So this is minus 3. So f prime of minus 1 is less than 0, so the function is decreasing at x is equal to minus 1. So here the function is decreasing, decreasing. Okay, at x is equal to minus 1, function is decreasing. So now we will put x is equal to 1, f prime of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 6 into 1. So this is 3 into 1 plus 6, so this is 9. F prime of 1 is greater than 0, so the function is at x is equal to 1, function is increasing. Okay, so here the function is increasing, here this is decreasing, and this is critical point. Okay, now we will check for x is equal to minus 2 critical point x is equal to -2. At the left hand side we see that there is -3, and at the right hand side we will see -1. For -1 we have already checked the function is decreasing. For -3 we check now f prime of -3 is equal to 3 into -3 square plus 6 into -3. This will become 3 into 9 minus 18. This will become 27 minus 18, and this is greater than 0. F prime of -3 is greater than 0, so the function is increasing. So the function is increasing at -3. So at x is equal to -3, function is increasing. So the function is increasing when the value of x is greater than 0, and function is increasing when the value of x is less than 3, -3. For increasing, function is increasing when x is greater than 0 and x is less than -3. For this range, function is increasing. And for decreasing function, you can also write it as minus increasing. For increasing, you can also write it as, so here this is, sorry, -2. So you can also write it as -infinity -2 union 0 to infinity. This is for increasing function. And for decreasing value, here we see that here 0 to -2, the function is decreasing. The function is in this range, the function is decreasing 0 to -2. So you can write it as when the function is x is less than 0 and x is greater than -2, the function is decreasing. So between 0 and -2, the function is decreasing. You can also write it as -2 and 0. So the function is decreasing. For this, the function is increasing, and for this, the function is decreasing. This is the question that first of all we find the derivative and put the derivative equal to 0. When we put derivative equal to 0, we find the critical points. If you want to find the y coordinates of a critical point, put these points in f of x, you will get y coordinates of the critical point. Now for increasing and decreasing function, we see at the left and right side of the critical points, when f prime of x is greater than 0, the function is increasing, and the f prime of x is less than 0, the function is decreasing. Now we will discuss the second part of this question. So first question, part second, f of x is equal to, question 1 part B, f of x is equal to x cube plus 35 x square minus 125 x minus 9.375. So first of all, we will take the derivative of this function. The derivative of this function is equal to 3x square plus 70x minus 125 plus minus 0. So f prime of x is equal to 3x square plus 70x minus 125. For critical points, put f prime of x is equal to 0. So this will become 3x square plus 70x minus 125. So we will make the factors of this quadratic equation. We factorize this equation, multiply this with this one, you will get minus 375, and minus 375, 75, 70 into 5. So 3x square plus 70 x, no, sorry, 75 into 5, sorry, 75, 75, 75 x minus 5x minus 125 is equal to 0. So this will become 3x common, x plus 25 minus 5 common, x plus 25. So this will become 3x minus 5 and x plus 25 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 25 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 divided by 3 and x is equal to minus 25. So these are the critical points of the function. If you want to find the y coordinates of these critical points, put these values in f of x, you will get the y coordinates of the critical point. Now we will check where the function is increasing and where the function is decreasing. So here we have this a line 0, and this is 1, and this is 2. Here you will get 5 divided by 3, and here you will find minus 25, here minus 24, and this minus 26. So first of all, we check x is equal to 5 divided by 3. At the right hand side, you will find there is 2, and at the left hand side you will find 1. 1 is here and there. So f prime of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 70 into 1 minus 1 to 5. So this will become 3 plus 70 minus 1 to 5, 73 minus 1 to 5. So this is negative. This is negative 25 and 27, 52 minus 52. So f prime of 1 is less than 0. So here the function is decreasing. And for f prime of 2, 3 into 2 square plus 70 into 2 minus 1 to 5. So this will become 3 into 6 plus 140 minus 1 to 5. So this will become 152 minus 1 to 5. So this is equal to 27. So f prime of 2 is greater than 0. So the function is at this point the function is increasing. Okay, for values x greater than 5 divided by 2, the function is increasing. Now we will check for minus 25. At the left hand side there is minus 26, and at the right hand side there is minus 24. For minus 24, f of minus 24, this will become 3 into minus 24 square plus 70 into minus 24 and minus 1 to 5. So this will become 24 into 24. 24 into 24, 5, 7, 6, and this will become minus 70 into 24, 1, 6, 8, 0, minus 1 to 5. So this will become so this is less than 0. So f prime of minus 24 is less than 0. So here the function is also decreasing. Here the function is decreasing and here the function is decreasing. So for x is equal to minus 26. 6, we check x is equal to minus 26, f of minus 26. So this will become 3 into minus 26 square plus 70 into minus 26 minus 1 to 5. So this will become 3 into minus 26, 26 into 26. So 6, 7, 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 7, 6, and multiply this with 3. Multiply this with 3. So this will become 2028, 2028, 2028, and minus 70 into 26, 1820 minus 1 to 5. So the answer of this is positive. So the answer of this is positive. 1820 minus 1 to 5, 2080 minus 1945, 2028 minus 1945. So the answer of this is positive. So the function is f of minus 26 is greater than 0. So the function is increasing. Here we made a mistake. We multiply this with 3. Okay, multiply this with 3. Multiply this with 3. 3 into 5, 7, 6, 1, 7, 1, 7, 2, 8. The answer of this is still negative. So the function at this is also decreasing. Here the function is decreasing, here the function is decreasing, here the function is increasing, and here the function is increasing. So we can write it as here this is 0, this is 1, this is 5 divided by 3, and this is 2. So this is minus 24, and this is minus 25, and this is minus 26. So here the function is increasing, and here the function is also increasing, and in this range the function is decreasing. The function is decreasing. Here the function is decreasing, and here the function is increasing. When x is less than minus 25, function is increasing, and x is greater than 5 divided by 3, function is also increasing. And when x is less than 5 divided by 3, function is decreasing, and when x is greater than minus 25, the function is decreasing, and here the function is increasing. In the next video we will discuss next topics.